Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this OPPO Find X5 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can block all spam and robocalls on this device. So first of all, locate the phone dialer app that looks just like this, open it up. Here at the top right corner of your display, go for this three dots, settings, settings. Here at the settings menu, choose caller ID and spam. And all that is left to do is to turn on these two switches that stand for filtering the spam calls and seeing the caller and spam ID. So that was it for this video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave your like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.